In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how many friend requests you ignored on Snapchat. That is quite new Snapchat feature and that is so simple and easy to check, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat and here get in your profile. Just tap here on your profile icon and there scroll down for a bit to find add friends. Right here, select that and then tap on that three dots icon at the top right, and in that pop-up menu select ignore from added me option. And here I see ignored list, the Snapchatters I have ignored from added me. So the person add me but I didn't add that person back. Here my list is empty because I got no such persons. But now you know how to see how many friend requests you ignored on Snapchat. So I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.